Hi, the sun came out for a little bit, and I know we need a story starter for our number talks, and it had to be on distance, so I thought, I know what I'll do. I'll get on this skateboard I haven't been on for years and see how far I can get down the driveway. Let's go. I am just kidding, that is way too dangerous for me. I'm gonna make Snoopy do it. Here is run one. This is the people view. And we'll call this the Snoopy view. Now, let's measure. "200 inches. Run two, here we go. Oh, thank goodness he's wearing a helmet. And poor Snoopy view is a little scary. Attempt 2 is "200 inches. And now the last run of the day. And Snoopy view one more time. And the winning run was almost there. Almost there. Wait for it. 723 inches. Now, I measured my distances in inches because I want you guys to do the math, but really, would inches have been the best unit for these distances? Probably not. Probably should have used, what do you think would be some better units? That's right, probably feet, maybe even yards for that last run. But actually, you're going to convert them from inches into feet and inches in the question below. See ya in another box.